Today we're installing the PTZ cameras for this church so they can do some live streaming. PTZ means pan, tilt and zoom. So these can move electronically either with a remote control or a specific controller that's back at the desk. Getting powered up by PoE over Cat6, and we're running some HDMI over optic fiber cables from each camera.
Carry on.
We come back around here, all through the AV desk of this church, and so this guy here is a system that all the cameras connect to via HDMI. So what camera 1, 2 and 3, and then is outputted from here into the Blackmagic Atom Mini, which controls all of their AV systems. You can see here they've already got some inputs with Vince and PC. This one here will be camera. So as soon as I press number 3 on there, they can then control over here which camera comes through. And this PTZOptics system here will be connected via an Ethernet switch, which will then control each camera individually, so we can control the pan, tilt and zoom from each camera. On here, this one has the capability to control six cameras, so cam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just push the button, and if it's programmed right, you can control it nice and easily. And that's it. We're setting up this church so they can live stream the services on a Saturday for this church.